has now cut off access for public access. No emergency responses now in Cherry Grove. All right, the storm surge has cut off emergency response in Cherry Grove. There is no more emergency rescue in Cherry Grove because of the storm surge. It has cut off emergency rescue. And yeah, once again here, almost to the day, a year later, we are along the shores of the Wmbf River. This is Riverside Drive, with the river itself about 1/8 of a mile behind me. But you can see the water that we are once again dealing with here along the Wmbf. It came up very, very quickly from below flood stage into major flood stage through the day Saturday, as we saw that 10 to 15 inches of rain here across most of Horry County. Northward, this is going to continue to lift its way to the northeast, and you may pick up 3 to 5 inches of rain just with this band over the next hour. We're now basically watching the storm minute by minute on radar. And notice Savannah, they had those wind gusts near 70. They're getting those out of the north now, here right on the outside of the eye wall. But that eye wall right in here, where if there's some 100-mile-per-hour winds, that's where it's going to happen. That may try to move on shore here in Beaufort County. We're already getting some really disturbing numbers for storm surge here, the highest since Hugo. Now coming into Charleston, the highest water level rise they've seen since Hugo in downtown Charleston. Okay, so we have a threat, but to understand what a tsunami would look like here, we have to start out there. Research shows a few likely areas where a tsunami could be generated that could reach the Grand Strand. A warning in effect in Horry County when we had that tornado touchdown on Wednesday. With all the technology we have, how can a tornado touchdown stay on the ground for 5 miles, have 110-mile-per-hour winds, and go completely undetected? Well, to talk about that, we have to first talk about radar. And to talk about radar, let's give you a quick summary on how a radar actually works. The radar sends out a beam into the atmosphere. That beam is looking for a raindrop, a snowflake, or a hailstone. When it hits it, it bounces that signal back into the radar. However, for the radar to do a complete scan of the atmosphere, it takes about 5 minutes for that entire atmospheric scan to come back to the radar and for us to see it. We're going to have another round of those comfortably cool temperatures starting off at 53 here for your jog around the Market Common tomorrow morning. However, we're going to see those temperatures really start warming up as we head towards the lunchtime hour. Notice 12 o'clock temperatures tomorrow, 75 degrees with that mix of sun and clouds. And from there, we're going to keep those temperatures climbing all the way into the upper 70s to near 80 at the beaches. And once you head inland, we're going to send those temperatures back into the low 80s as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. But from time to time, we are going to see some periods of mostly cloudy skies, and that's going to be the flavor of the forecast this week. Gradually warming temperatures, but also an opportunity for a couple of passing showers, a few thunderstorms, and some periods of mostly cloudy skies. Now notice future radar here this evening, bone dry across the Carolinas. But watch this little system sneaking across the mountains from the northwest. That's going to give us a couple of areas of cloudiness around tomorrow morning, but any showers stay off to our north. That continues to be the case as we head towards lunchtime tomorrow. You can see most of the thicker cloud cover, most of the showers remaining across North Carolina. But as we head towards tomorrow evening, a few more of these isolated showers and storms may take aim, especially at the inland areas. And we're going to have a few more of these storm systems darting our way as we head through the rest of the week, and each one of those going to bring about at least an opportunity for a brief shower or storm. So the daytime hours tomorrow, we're keeping rain free, but a couple of overnight showers tomorrow night. Wednesday, again, during the daytime hours, primarily rain free, maybe a stray shower in the PD. But then again, Wednesday night, a couple more showers move through, and then some slightly better shower and thunderstorm chances, especially as we head towards Friday late in the day through Saturday, the first half of the day. But if you're already making plans for the weekend, looks like a drying trend takes us through the day on Saturday. So by no stretch is it looking like a weekend washout. For tomorrow morning, though, there's those cool temperatures starting us off again into the low 50s. Tomorrow afternoon, we climb into the upper 70s to near 80 on the Grand Strand. We'll hit and exceed that 80-degree mark across the PD. And then your 7-day beach forecast reflects that warming trend and the chance for a couple of showers. 77 tomorrow, stray shower tomorrow night. 83 Wednesday. Another stray shower as we head towards Wednesday night, and then Thursday, Friday into Saturday featuring at least a risk for some of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms, tapering off during the day on Saturday so that by Sunday we're back into sunshine and comfortable temperatures into the upper 70s. Notice here across the PD, we're also going to keep a couple of stray shower chances in as we head through the first half of the week, but the important numbers here, the temperatures, 82 tomorrow, all the way up to 87 by Wednesday and Thursday. And by Thursday, enough humidity around continuing into Friday and Saturday that we do see a couple of pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Overnights also considerably warmer, no more of that windows open kind of weather